So, Shavali, how was Thailand?
Thailand was so much fun.
Did you get a happy ending?
No.
Don't lie, Shavali.
Why will I lie about it?
Why did you not get a happy ending? It's like
I
part of Thai culture.
It's not a part of Thai
Don't
culture.
say that. Don't make statements.
Hi guys, welcome back to This Is Not a Podcast. Guy, why are you wearing what you're wearing today?
Because it's my husband's birthday today.
What
Why
about
do
you?
yeah, exactly.
Why are you wearing her husband's?
Because I am the husband.
No, you're not. You wish, bitch.
Guys, today is Carlos Sainz's birthday and Guy is his biggest fan. Why do you like him so much? Is it his
'Cause-
driving abilities?
It's his looks, and looks.
That first. That's how I discovered him. You know the trend where, I mean, it was a trend like last year or something where it's like childhood photo and then it's like that Sigma male song and it's like how he's hot now. That's how I discovered him.
Oh,
I had no idea. Like, I only know, what's the other guy?
you don't only know
Lewis.
Hamilton.
Yeah, because he's very relevant in like the fashion world.
Mm.
I saw him and I just went, my toes curled up. Like literally, I've not had a reaction like that to a male.
Yeah,
I was like, who is this guy? See, I have the goosebumps talking about it.
you actually do have goosebumps.
I've been in love ever since.
Well, how do you think you'll react if you actually like meet
I
him?
might faint. Like my mouth is dry talking about it. Might actually faint. Because he's also like charming. It's not just the looks.
He's too cute.
Yes,
Like
he
I've
is.
seen
Like he has,
interviews
I
with
like
him.
a sense of humor.
He's very
and-
calm.
Yeah.
Pawam and all. How can you judge?
I mean,
Can.
like through the videos, like he's so sweet.
Yeah, he's too cute.
Shavali, do you feel like that about any sports personalities
Sports personalities.
or any personality?
Any personality.
I mean, I used to feel that way about Hrithik Roshan, but not anymore.
Then what you messaged him and he didn't reply, so you got mad about it.
What?
No, not anymore. Like, sports personalities, not really. I've never been enamored by someone like that. Like curling, toes curling, and like all of that, goosebumps and stuff. No, nobody is. I've not met that person yet.
Yeah, she's not. That person is not born yet.
What about you? Except for Ronaldo.
No, only
Yeah.
Ronaldo. Toes
Except-
curling, everything curling, penis
Except,
curling.
okay, other.
If it's
Hair
curling,
curling.
it's not doing its function.
No, it's like straight up.
It's out
and
of
then curling.
respect.
yeah. Bowing down.
It's like an elephant's trunk.
Yeah. Ronaldo, only Ronaldo.
Really? Dravid?
No, Dravid, no toes curling. I like
Yeah.
him.
Penis is still straight. Doesn't curl.
So, Shavali, how was Thailand? You,
Thailand
uh,
was so much fun. I'm having major withdrawals. That
She
I'm-
even forgot how to use Instagram.
yeah, I forgot how to use Instagram. I want to go back because of like just functionality, like pure functionality. Like yeah, Swiggy and stuff is cool, but the pure joy of entering a 7-Eleven, which is available at every corner, and ordering your coffee first thing in the morning, having a toasty is it's unparalleled.
But is 7-Eleven like a Thai brand?
No, it's a Japanese brand.
Oh.
Japanese slash US brand.
But was it Asian? Like,
So
it's not the
sta-
US that started first.
No, it started by a guy in Texas, I think. If
Oh,
I'm
yeah?
not wrong.
I thought it was Asian.
So I think he started it and then he acquired. There's like a weird history to it,
Mm.
but there is like founding is America and Japan.
Okay.
But the biggest 7-Eleven is in Pattaya in Thailand, which is not where I went. But even the smaller ones, they are so good. Like you name it and it's there.
Like, what is the difference between like a normal grocery store here and
The aesthetics. Just like the organization, it just looks and feels cleaner, more premium. It's not more premium, okay, but it just feels that
Like,
way.
it's basic there, but like,
Yeah.
it is premium.
It's not. I mean, like it's very affordable. Like it's you enter and it's cheaper than you buying anything in a grocery
Yeah,
store
and then
here.
variety of.
Yeah, you
things.
have so much variety. You can literally like it's the best coffee I've had, the best iced chocolate I've had in my entire 10-day trip. Like I've gone to proper coffee shops and
I thought she was
cafes.
going to say life, but she just said tended.
No, I'm talking about specifically Thailand, right? Like,
Okay.
yeah, I mean, it's the best coffee I've had in my life. But
Also,
yeah, but yeah, so 7-Eleven is like a love story for me. I genuinely just feel happy thinking about 7-Eleven.
That's when your toes curled.
Yeah, my toes curl thinking about 7-Eleven. Like, I don't know. I feel like even if they come to India, it won't like. I mean, they have come to India. I just don't think it'll match.
It's not the same quality.
Yeah, I think unless you see the Asians in the store.
no,
Damn.
Indians are Asians, right?
I meant like
You meant what?
She meant
Shamini?
Southeast
different
Asians.
Asians.
Aren't we Southeast Asia? We are Southeast
Yeah.
Asia.
Well, more East.
Far East.
Far East Asians.
But yeah. So yeah, 7-Eleven was great. Like every single morning, I would get up. And we had booked, okay, so this trip I went with my cousin. So it was just the two of us. So we had booked like decent like stays everywhere. And we included breakfast, thinking we are going to be like bougie and like,
In the stay. At the,
yeah, at the place. We never woke up for breakfast. But we would invariably end up at 7-Eleven. And they have these toasties and like you just need to buy it and give it to them at the counter. They'll toast it for you so you can have it like fresh
So
and
it comes
hot.
in a packet. And
Yeah,
you
it comes, it's like packaged, but they'll toast it. And then they make like, they have these wide variety of drinks that they can prepare. And there are different cafes attached to different 7-Eleven. So it depends on what cafe you like. So we used to every day wake up, walk to the 7-Eleven, which was about a 5-minute walk, have this toasty and this iced chocolate. And then our day would just be like good magically. And then we would just like roam around. Like in Bangkok, it was mainly like visiting the Grand Palace and the temples and then ending up in a shopping mall. Because after a point, there's not much, at least from what I've understood.
Is it more like touristy? Like
There are a lot of
places?
touristy places, but there is also, it's a proper city, right? It's like the capital. So there's like actual like city life also. So you can do like a wide variety of things. I think when you're going there for the first time, it's very different, right? Because then you want to do all the touristy things. This wasn't my first time, so I was pretty much done with the touristic stuff. So I would just take it easy, pretend like I used to live in Bangkok. So just do things that you would do if you were living there. But I also went to really nice like restaurants. And as a vegetarian, it's very hard there because they consider fish and chicken to be vegetarian. So you have to be very, very
that's
specific.
their staple, no? Like
Yeah, it's
seafood.
white meat, so they
Yeah.
don't think it's like non-vegetarian for some reason. So yeah, but the food was incredible. The beer is incredible, and I hate beer. And just everything is so like easy somehow. And I don't know why it's different in India because we have the same things. We have like the metro, we have the local trains, we have Uber, we have everything.
The happy endings.
That's the difference, you're saying?
No, I'm saying it's all
That's
to-
what he wants to talk about.
Did you get a happy ending?
No.
Don't lie, Shamari.
Why will I lie about it?
Why did you not get a happy ending? It's like
I
part of Thai culture.
It's not a part of Thai culture.
Don't say that. Don't make statements.
Yeah,
now.
don't disrespect
I
Thai
got a happy
culture.
How
ending
is it-
today. Mom.
How is it disrespecting? You
It is
go to
not a
massage-
part of their culture.
Did you go get massages?
I got a foot massage, yeah, every single day. I
You go
got
to massage every single day.
every
Do you want
single
to give some
day.
context by the
As in?
to the audience?
About?
The massage.
Oh, so it's famously in Thailand, if you go for a normal massage, you can also get like happy endings. Happy endings is like hand jobs / blow jobs.
Basically,
Sexual,
orgasm.
yeah, or sexual orgasm.
Yeah, but I was not there for sex tourism. I was purely there for vibes.
Yeah, she didn't see the bird coming out of the
Yeah.
vagina.
Yeah.
So wait, you didn't, not even one happy ending.
No!
Not even one happened. 7-Eleven
Wait,
was her
wait, I
happy.
have a doubt.
Yeah.
if you had a boyfriend and he went to Thailand and if he got a happy ending, would you be happy or sad?
I did not get the happy ending. Why will I be
Yeah.
happy if he got a happy ending? It's cheating. Unless there is a medical reason for you to get. There is. No, unless like, oh, you just are unable to have like an orgasm elsewhere. Then, and I don't know, there's no justified reason. If you have like. If you have a significant other, why do you want to go get a happy ending? I don't understand it.
I'm just asking you a question.
Yeah, and I'm answering it.
I want to know where the question is coming from.
Yeah. Have you been in a situation where someone's done this to you?
No, I know a friend who recently got one of those massages. I can't name.
I know this is.
I don't know who this is.
No, he'll pick up. The mic will pick up. Mic will pick up. Mic will pick up.
I'll tell you later.
Okay.
So he got one.
Do I know this person?
Yeah, you know him.
Then I have a feeling I know this person. Okay.
And yeah, it was like, according to him, it was a very unique experience because he's doing it for the first time.
Like sex.
And that girl was
or-
also Thai. No, not sex. He had like, she was fully naked. He was fully naked. And
That's not just a happy ending then, right?
That is you're paying for sex.
no, there's no sex. It's just hand jobs, blow jobs, kissing, fingering.
Kissing or?
Yeah. Oh, so that's where you draw the line. Blowjobs are fine, but kissing is not allowed.
Kissing is more intimate according to me.
Kissing is more intimate than blowjobs.
I think so.
Everything
Oh,
is intimate to
for
me.
For Shamali, the bases are: first is blowjob, second is kissing,
Third base is kissing.
third is hand holding, fourth base is love.
I don't know. I feel like because like your salivas are exchanging. And
So
stuff.
when you're giving a blowjob to
sperm
someone,
is okay.
yeah, sperm.
First of all,
Tell me about your first blowjob.
no, I think like I don't know. It's just weird. I wouldn't ever pay to get like. A
Yeah, I
happy
don't know.
ending.
I'm paying for.
But you guys are women. You guys don't have to pay for sex because sex is
No,
so
I'm
easily
saying
available.
like.
I
Okay,
mean,
from.
what makes you think that way?
I mean, if you want to sleep with a guy, it is so easy to
Yeah,
sleep.
but we don't want to sleep with any random person. To come across a guy who is worthy of sleeping with us is not easy.
No, I'm saying even from the guy's point of view, like that concept of paying for sex, like I get it, but I personally, I'm not generalizing. I personally find it weird that concept. Like,
Yeah, when I've never paid for sex. I bought gifts though.
the denial is strong.
Yeah, no one even asked. you.
Yeah,
I just wanna,
I haven't paid.
I just want to put it out there.
But yeah, so moving on. We would end the day with a massage because the massage over there is so good and it is so reasonable that like it's invariable that your feet will just take you to the massage parlor. Like and they're open till like really late at night. So we used to get back to our hotel around like 1, 2 a.m. and there would be massage parlors open at night which were full. Like there would be waiting also. So that's how good they are.
You got it like every other day, no?
Every day, not every
day.
other
Ah,
day.
There you go.
I was like, I cannot end my day without a massage now.
Damn,
And like it's
insane.
60 minutes of pure like bliss. Like they're just okay, it sounds really wrong. But their techniques are like so good. I'm
What is-
talking about foot
What is
massage,
the technique
guys.
like this? Or like what is?
What is this?
They use their two hands.
Oh yeah, boy.
Sharan, for
So
your
elephant
legs.
or what? Oh, for
your
your
legs.
legs. Oh,
I don't have a dick.
I don't know that.
What is this conversation? Is not.
But yeah, and the food was impeccable. Like so good, so
Did you have
good.
mango sticky rice?
Almost every day.
I feel like Thai food is overrated.
You don't like most Asian food. That's
You
the
don't.
issue.
You can't understand flavor. Your palate is very immature.
3-year-old, yeah.
How
Give
is
you
it-
cereal and milk, and you will be okay with it. Give you like a plain
You
margarita
prefer
pizza,
like
you're okay
white
with
people
it.
food mainly, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you're very
Like
like
it's
your
easy on the
palate
stomach.
is
like
very
Thai
very.
Indian food and all. Like it's
That's
like
because you're
warfare
just-
inside the.
No, that's because you've not been.
No, but I feel like Indian food is like little more extreme with spices, but other Asian cuisines you also get a balance. I
I
feel.
like how a guy is trying to make a sensible point while Shamli
Yeah.
is just trying to destroy me. You are a 3-year-old.
Yeah, but you are. You cannot comprehend complex flavors.
What is there to comprehend? It's fucking spicy. It is not spicy. It
Yeah,
is-
see, it's not just that. There's a lot of other flavors. There's smoky flavor, which you don't understand. So for you, it has to be just black and white. Like it has to be bland, or it has to be spicy. In which case, you won't have it. But you don't understand. There are different levels in between.
I was just telling them about different palates, not to you. We have an audience that's listening.
Yeah, and your stomach is just extra sensitive. Like you were just not born the correct way.
You are stupid.
You are not born the correct way.
Like he has a coffee and he has to rush to the bathroom.
Everybody has to rush to the bathroom after having coffee.
No.
That's how
You're
most of the world-
lactose intolerant. That's a different thing.
No, I'm not. How dare you accuse me of that?
It's not a bad thing. I mean, it's just
He was
like,
just born the incorrect way.
like it's so hard to go eat with him in a restaurant. A, because okay, I'm vegetarian, so we can't share. But B, because he hates almost all cuisine except Italian.
Yeah, it's the best cuisine in the world.
And even Indian, he
easy.
will only have chicken tikka and naan. Like,
This Indian, he
because-
has to be like Indian.
No, it's because Italian cuisine I feel like is the best. It's the
why?
easiest on the stomach. It is the healthiest.
It's
in
not the
everything.
Healthy.
healthiest. It's just cheese
What is
and
the-
cheese
what-
and more
What is the
cheese.
healthiest thing according to you?
Asian food is very healthy.
But Asian food is like rice and everything and like
But I think there is a balance, no? There's always
And they also have like a lot of fermented rice, which
Yeah.
is very healthy.
like kimchi alone is so good for your skin.
Gut. Yeah.
Gut, yeah.
Even Indian food, I think, is healthy if you don't
no, Indian
dunk it in
food-
oil and
Indian
ghee.
food is fucking unhealthy.
It depends on how you're making it. If you have it in a
Yeah,
restaurant, obviously it's gonna
preparation
have
and-
like ghee and oil in it.
Yeah, preparation and the dish also.
If you make it at home, like Kerala food is so healthy
Dude,
for
I
you.
can eat kanipar every day.
Really?
I love kanipar. Paripals.
Like even your appams and stuff are healthy.
Yeah.
Appams.
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 It's all healthy. Idiyappam.
Fermented, right?
Yeah.
You know the worst food in the world? Idli.
I love it.
Bena.
Love idli.
Amma idha kashtathekenda bare.
Idli is, I am sorry, but idli, I cannot stand by idli.
I love idli. I love idli, and there was a point where I like dosa more than idli, but now I'm leaning towards idli more than dosa.
First of all, it's dosha, not dosa.
But she's not Indian.
There's
skin.
also
she's-
doshai.
No,
Dosai.
Dosai.
No, she's adopted South Indian now. If you live here for more than 5 years, you have to say South Indian slang.
I'm saying dosa.
Dosa.
I love idli. Like
Idli-
especially those mini cocktail idlis, they're so
Cocktail.
cute.
Idli is the most like it doesn't do anything. I don't know if it's really healthy.
just dough.
I just
why
feel-
why don't you like it? It's bland.
No, it's not healthy. A. B,
Why is it not healthy?
It's not healthy. I've heard somewhere it's not healthy.
Please,
I have a feeling it's not healthy.
It is very
have a
healthy.
It's not as healthy as it pretends to be.
What do you
One.
mean?
No, see the thing is, it doesn't have oil and it's not fried and it's
Yeah,
steamed.
it's
that
literally
way it's healthy.
steamed and fermented rice
But
and dal.
it depends on how big the idli is actually. If, like technically it's just dough, right? It's carbs.
Yeah, that's
So-
carbs.
That yeah, but it's
Yeah,
not
dough is
unhealthy. Carbs is not bad for you.
Yeah, it's not. But I'm
yeah, but
saying
like
it's
it's
like
in such small quantities that you have a lot of idlis, then it's bad for
That's
you.
your problem.
That's one. Secondly, how much ever idli you eat, you will feel hungry in like half an hour because it never fills you up. And it's just a bad replacement of dosha. Everybody should just have dosha.
But dosa
Yeah,
is
I've tried
unhealthy.
dosa. And
It's
most-
like the amount of ghee
And
that
it-
goes into making that dosa. That's very unhealthy, especially that the dosa that you get in Karnataka, that benne dosa, whatever.
what is that? I don't know.
It's like it's literally fried dosa.
But you also get the tattu, like I don't know the name of the dosha, like where you don't put a lot of ghee. It's not the crispy dosha that you get.
Yeah, but like the dosa,
But yeah,
the
it doesn't
fun is
taste
in
the
the
same. Yeah,
crunch.
that's true. But idli, I cannot.
I
get
I
behind.
love this topic of food.
I like idiyappam.
If you guys love idli, you should watch Avesham because that's the most iconic scene.
If you
in
love
Avesham.
idli or hate idli,
you
you
should
should
watch
watch.
Avesham. Wait, do you like that Rameshwaram Cafe idlis?
I've never been to Rameshwaram Cafe.
You never been to Rameshwaram Cafe? Have you been?
I only know Murugan idli.
You're
and
like the
I
two people in
love
the world who have
Murugan
not been
idli.
to Rameshwaram Cafe.
But I like that you're talking about the flat idli, right? Tata idli.
Yeah, Tate idli, yes. Tate.
Tate.
Tatte.
I love idli in all its glory.
Do you like fried idli? I like
I
fried idli.
love fried
Because
idli.
that way I
Fried
don't.
anything she will eat.
That way I don't. It's technically not idli.
Yeah.
That way I like it.
I love masala idli, fried idli.
Shami is extremely
Rava
passionate about
idli.
eating. Like
I
one
love
of the reasons
food.
she goes to the movie theater to watch a movie is
Yeah,
to
I'm
eat
not
the
going for the
popcorn.
Yeah.
movie.
Deadpool Wolverine. I'm watching the movie. On the next, I'm sitting next to Shamli.
I genuinely I don't even like watching movies. I only like going to the theater so I can eat the popcorn, cheese and
Yeah.
caramel mix. I like it when he orders nachos so I can just take 2 nachos with the cheese dip.
Yeah, she says 2, but it's actually 20.
No, I don't have too many nachos. I don't
She's
like.
not good at numbers.
No, I don't like the Doritos nachos.
But
that they give.
nachos makes me so sick. I don't know why.
Yeah,
because
it's
too
Doritos.
much.
I love the
Yeah.
cheesy dip. That's
That's
I
what.
like.
So
Yeah.
I dip my popcorn in its cheesy dip and have. So the cheese is extra cheese, and then I like this PVR, the new PVR in Forum Mall is quite
the
good.
new PVR food is
Yeah,
so good.
yeah.
Like I had the kati roll because that
Mm.
was the only first food I saw.
Was it good?
It was really good.
Yeah. Even the theater in Dubai, their nachos are next level, and they'll give you like jalapenos and stuff.
Oh.
It is so good. But yeah. Speaking about Thai cuisine, like It's so flavorful. It's so flavorful and so spicy. Like we went to this one restaurant in Chiang Mai, and the waitress was like, "Oh, this is really spicy." I was like, "Dude, just bring it on." Like I'm Indian. And my cousin was just shooting daggers at me after that because it was like we couldn't have it.
What was the dish?
It was like a tofu and tomato thing, but it was like I felt like that center shock ad where the hair is just up. That was me.
But was it like flavor spicy?
There was a lot of flavor, but because the spice was so
You
strong,
can't eat
like
more, yeah.
after the flavor, like you just like your ears are burning. And so then we had to like beg her to give us like some bread or some plain rice or whatever. But yeah, but just generally, like even their desserts are so good. Their coffees are good. Their teas are good. Like I don't think there's anything.
I've
wrong
been
with
wanting
their
to
cuisine.
try that shaved ice thing.
Oh,
'cause
that's
I've
bingsu. Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
I've seen
I had
it.
that. Yeah.
seen videos on it so much. I wanna be on hot ones one day.
Oh, that's a
Oh,
good one.
that'll be
Yeah,
good.
because I have good spice tolerance. It's not great. I also really like the show, so like I really wanna go be on it.
That show works basically where you progressively eat spicy
Yeah.
food and you answer questions.
Yeah.
Right?
Also, they don't ask like stupid "Oh, what's your favorite color" kind of question. They ask like they actually
Meaningful.
do research on the guest,
Oh.
and they do like they ask like I don't know questions like usual interviewers wouldn't ask. Like you need to think a bit. That's why the contrast is so because it's
Because
like
you can't think after
yeah.
you have spicy food.
Okay, as people who go on holidays, what type of person are you? Are you the person who wakes up in the morning and goes and sees everything which is possible in that country, or are you people who like sleep till 12, 1 and take it easy and you're on holiday and you know that you're on holiday?
you take this first.
I am definitely the first type of person. Like I want my day to be packed from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Post 8 p.m. you can chill.
So this workouts or what?
Yeah, what?
Like I
What do you mean
need
after
to-
8 p.m. you can chill? What
After
is
8
this?
p.m. you're on your own time. Till
Before
8
that,
p.m.
whose time are you?
you're on museum time, you're on culture time, you're like absorbing the environment, you're learning. I am a very regimental person when it comes to a holiday. Like a holiday doesn't mean you sit and relax.
Sir,
and
yes,
be a sloth. You need to be active. You need to be doing everything possible. Like
Why can't you just relax? Get
I
up at
can't
10
chill.
o'clock till 11 o'clock.
I'm not
go
a chill
have a
person.
breakfast, then go have like sit by the pool. Maybe you go to the beach,
That's
do some
my
water
kind of-
activities.
no, I mean if you're at a beach, obviously that's what you'll do. But that also
Oh,
you
you are
have to be
looking for a
there by
museum
8
on the
a.m.
You mention an area. Is it beach or like city?
No, it is.
No, like
it's a
for
beach.
instance, we three have traveled to Russia together, right? So now I can give you like actual examples of what
how
annoyed
we
me
are
and
bad
what
and how
didn't.
she is good. Okay, go
No,
on.
no, not how we're bad and how we're good. Just like for me, for instance, we've gone all the way to St. Petersburg, but we haven't seen the Summer Palace. I'm like we didn't.
saw the summer palace.
We didn't,
We
Sharan.
literally were outside the summer palace.
Outside it is not the same thing as going inside.
Wait, why didn't we go to
Because
That's what she said.
Nobody, first of all, no,
church? I remember I didn't want to go inside.
Church, yeah. Church, okay. But, like,
I genuinely forgot.
no, like, for instance, when you go to a place, why are you going to that place? If you just want to go there and have food, you might as well just stay where you are, right? You want to go there to understand what the people of that place do, what their culture is like, what their history is like. Understand, like, learn. So, when we didn't end up seeing the Summer Palace, we didn't go because it was too big a group with too many different interests. That was hard to manage.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. I don't think I do well in group.
No, it's also
traveling.
that I feel like what happens is when you're in a group, you need to have one person who's taking charge. And so he is or she is making the decisions. And then everybody just has to follow. But in our group, we have too many people who are just like, no, I will do my thing. I will do my thing. So that's what I think went wrong. But like for me, if I had an option, I would do that Summer Palace. Like I would do the main touristy things also. I wouldn't just like chill.
She was attacking you guys because you didn't want to do the summer palace.
No,
I
I
never knew.
I didn't know. That's
you were,
why I
you were in
forgot
front of the
about
summer
this.
palace. You didn't know the summer palace.
No, now I know it's Summer Palace.
We've not seen the Winter Palace.
I
also.
remember.
There's a winter palace.
I remember.
I'm from this country. I don't know there's a winter palace.
Like even Moscow, I feel like
Moscow. Remember, we almost went to a museum.
Almost.
yeah, because we were
because
dissuaded.
Agnes like, no, this is Victorian art. I don't want to say. And I remember feeling sad that day.
No, but that day also, the only reason we did that walking
Agrim,
tour
I love you.
was because I forced you guys to all come in
Okay,
that
but
walking
okay, in
tour.
a situation like this, what if you're in a group of 5, 6 people? What do you need to do then?
I think back then, because our friendship was very new,
No. I'm not talking about us. I'm talking about generally. What should
generally,
people
like, you fucking do your own thing. No, you don't have to spend every minute of the day together. Like, if you want to do something, please take a sidebar, do it, and come back.
She's
You can have
attacking me.
meals together.
do?
I'm just a spectator in this.
No, like even my cousin and I, there were times when she wanted to do something, but I was not interested, or I had work, for instance. So she would do her thing, I would do my thing. Like, I mean, everybody is like, at the end of the day, everybody has different interests, right? So you can't just be focused on your
For
stuff.
me, like one thing I don't think I'll do is like a bigger group. I don't if
What-
I'm
what's
traveling
a big group?
like 10 people. Like for me, 5 people is a group, but like less than 5, I'm comfortable. Because like you can always be like, okay, I'll do this thing. I'll do. It's like better to manage. I feel I don't do well in groups in general.
General.
That one. Two, it depends on the plan. Like suppose we have a plan. Okay, we're doing, for example, museum and this other spot. Chill. Like I don't think I can do like too many activities in
Yeah.
one day. I like it to be spread
Spread
out
out, yeah.
because I would just want to chill in one like cafe one day, like you know,
Yeah.
I don't like sports and like water sport. That's not my thing.
Yeah.
So it depends on the like.
Yeah, but that's what I'm saying. Like, the group should be a set of friends who are okay to say, hey, I'm not interested in doing this, so I'm going to do my own thing
Yeah.
today. You do your own thing. It should be like that, is what I'm saying. But I'm also the sort of person who doesn't like going and visiting the same place again and again. So when I'm visiting it once, I want to finish it.
Yeah, for me it feels like a waste of money if it's like same place.
Yeah,
you're
exactly.
in a
Because
different-
again, like, I don't have infinite
yeah,
money.
yeah, Dubai Mall.
Sharan is okay. So I will tell you, my first ever trip to Dubai was in 2020 in November or December. I
Oh,
can't
that was your
remember.
first
That was
trip
my first trip to Dubai. I've never been to Dubai. And I was like, okay, great. We're going to like do so much. We're going to see so much. We'll do like desert safari. We'll do this. We'll do that. All we did was Dubai Mall. We went to the Burj Khalifa, which is attached to Dubai Mall. We went for desert safari, which was 10 minutes away from a McDonald's.
What can I say? McDonald's is doing really well. They're everywhere.
So it was a very, different kind of, like, I'm a very uptight person when it comes to travel.
No.
Thanks for saying that. Thanks for sharing with us.
Like, even,
On Traveling Anonymous.
I
Thank
feel
you.
like even my cousin was just like, she just wanted to kill me at some point during the trip. I remember I'd done like a month-long Euro trip with my best friend. It was again just the two of us, and we had a third friend who was just bunking with us, but he was doing his own thing. And we were in Ibiza, and I'm not a party person. So
Yeah, I'm also not like I can't party. Every
yeah,
day.
but when you go to Ibiza, you like
Yeah,
want to
yeah.
party, right? Rian and I are doing like fancy fine dining dinner. And Rian's just like
Wait, which
staring
year
at
is
me.
this?
2017.
Yeah, that okay.
She's just like looking at me like she can kill me any minute now. But yeah, so I'm a very hard travel partner. But you'll get to see a lot, you'll learn a lot. So if you like that, I can be a
Thank
great
you,
travel
teacher.
partner.
Thanks for sharing. Thanks for sharing. We hear you.
I'm sure you will enjoy it. Just let me be in charge next time.
No.
I will plan the itinerary.
politely
I do a lot
declare-
of research. You don't
I
understand.
think I will shoot that.
Wow, you guys are rude. If anyone in the comments wants to like
Join her.
join my hectic travel, it'll end with a massage every day if we're in Thailand. But yeah,
Massage.
not
yeah.
me giving you a massage, but
Okay, what is your ideal vacation?
Shana's ideal
Itinerary.
vacation is staying in the hotel.
My ideal vacation is staying in a really fancy hotel with at least 10-15 people who are my friends.
You just want content.
Yeah, also that. But I like large groups of people. I don't like if there are 2-3 people. I
You
unless,
get bored very
yeah,
easily.
I get bored extremely easily. So
So basically, this trip is not happening.
No, but another hack to actually do stuff on
See,
holiday.
she's making hacks on my dream trip. She's again hacking it.
No, listen to me.
5
Another
minutes
hack.
We see a problem here. Yes,
What?
you go on.
No, but like another hack to actually do a lot on your holiday is to stay in a shitty place so you're out of the door. Like if you stay in like a shitty place, you'll just want to get out, and then when you get out, you have like a lot more
Do you
hours.
really like staying in shitty
Shamali,
places, Shamali?
this is not working out.
No, I don't need to stay in a shitty place because I will anyway get out.
Guys, for
with
context,
you.
we are planning a trip. That's why we are having this discussion.
Yeah. I don't think it's happening, but yeah.
No, I mean I've reached the stage where I can tell you guys like, listen, I'm just gonna do my thing. Y'all do your thing. Like,
That's the stage is speaking now.
so I don't need to like I'm okay. Also, I'm okay doing things on my own. Like a lot of people are not okay with that. Also, like you won't be okay just roaming
How
around.
do you know?
Sharan, you just
we
said
know.
you're not okay in small groups. Alone, you will be.
No, small groups I have on my own. I'm fine.
Then you
Alone
go
is
alone.
fine. You know
No,
what
no,
he'll
we'll
do?
go. Let him go alone.
What will I do?
You
He
figure
will-
it out.
First of all, he will be in the hotel till 1 o'clock. Then he will get up. He will find a nice coffee shop. Earlier, he used to go to Starbucks. Now he's grown from Starbucks. So he will
Oh,
find
yeah,
a nice.
you don't go to Starbucks anymore.
Yeah, he's
Yeah, I
grown.
don't-
I've
don't really.
given him a little more taste than bland Starbucks.
You give. You give. You.
Yes, me. So now
This is the foreshadowing now of the trip.
now he'll find a nice coffee shop, sit there, order whatever he wants to order, and be on his phone where he's reading the news. Like the one good thing about him is not wasting time on social media. He's actually like being mentally productive. But that's
Just
you can
wasting
do.
others' time on social.
But you can do that.
The palace
In
you want to
Kochi.
see, I can watch it on YouTube. Without having to go inside.
Well, it's like okay, it's then
going to
have
a-
virtual sex, no?
I knew she was going to talk about
Oh.
sex.
How did we go from palace to virtuals?
No, why? I mean, some things
Wait,
have to
wha-
be experienced in person.
Yeah, sex, yes, in person.
Even
Palace is
even
not so much.
traveling. Traveling also has to be experienced in person. How can you tell the taste of a food if you've not actually had it?
Food I eat.
Food, I agree.
Not agree, I will eat. I never said I would agree.
So like you need to travel, you need to move around, you need to
No, I love like museum visits. I love history, so I like
Yeah.
going to historical sites and all that. I like.
yeah.
But yeah, I also like a good hotel room. I like a balance.
Yeah.
What is your dream destination to travel? Just say one country.
I have a continent.
Which
South
Africa?
America.
Oh, South America.
Hawaii.
Hawaii.
You?
I
It's
think
gonna say
UK.
like UK.
Yeah, UK or US.
You had
mean,
New
because I
York
don't-
for the longest time.
Yeah, I want to go. I mean, yeah, I want to. I mean, I've applied.
But you've already been, no, you saw on YouTube.
The fuck up.
Why you need to apply for US visa?
I want to eat the $1 pizza there. For that, I have to go.
Actually, yeah, New York also. I wanna-
Like, I've heard it's fucking dirty and.
Yeah,
like,
it's supposed to be like rat infested and
yeah.
smelly.
Nobody has anything nice to say about it, but everybody's there, so I guess.
Yeah.
Like, I want to experience the fashion week in New York
Mm.
because that's like the fashion core, like compared to other cities and countries. New York fashion is like
Yeah.
New York fashion is the ultimate fashion.
I
week.
thought it was Paris.
taste wise,
or-
it's. I'm saying like that's like European mainly, right?
Mm.
Paris and all, because the style is entirely different.
Yeah, but which is like the ultimate. Like everybody will, like,
I like New York style wise.
but there's no like
personally.
ranking. Like,
Prestige-wise.
I don't know anymore because it changed over the past few years because like the style and the taste, everything is constantly changing, right? So yeah.
But for a company to be in a Paris Fashion Week, they have to get invitation. I mean, not Paris, but any fashion week, you have to get an invitation.
As in, you're talking about like an individual.
No, not individual.
Like a
those are
designer
models,
to
right?
showcase.
Like designer.
That depends on the popularity mainly now. Like
so it's not like you have to pay to perform. I mean,
you
No, but
have to
who-
pay
to
also.
showcase.
No, but
It
who is in,
depends.
like, for example, Milan for Fashion Week? Who are the brands being invited to be on the?
like Milan. I'm assuming it'll be local Italian brands also.
No, there are other than Italian brands, you get like other
bigger banners.
nationalities
yeah.
also get priority, but it depends on the popularity and like the sales they've been having. Like now, see, social media is like a huge part, plays a huge part in like fashion in itself, right? So they also check popularity now, in terms of like TikTok is a huge benefactor in like what is trending. So like designers will make things according to that. So things like that. So there's not one factor. It's like a lot now.
Yeah, but now, but who is it like an invitation based thing, or the brands have to pay, or what? Like that's what I'm trying to
I
understand.
think Both.
Both?
I'm gonna invite you, but you have to pay me.
Like technical side, I'm still not.
100% sure.
Yeah, because the workings have changed a lot.
Mm.
So I don't know.
Insane. Yeah. I would love to go to Europe actually also.
And conquer every museum.
I love museums.
Napoleon, Shamoy, Napoleon Bonaparte, Parik.
I love museums.
Dude, actually, remember we went to a museum in Moscow?
Yeah.
That was like one of my
No, even
favorite
I like
days.
museums. I just don't like the timing.
What do you
What do you
mean?
mean? You
Like,
wanna
we
go
don't
at
need to
night?
reach there at 9 o'clock in the morning. We can be there.
No,
at
I
like
don't
11.
think it's like time specific. She was
She is
just
time specific.
talking.
No,
about-
I said get out of the house. Go to a supermarket, get breakfast, go to a cafe, get breakfast, but get out of the house. You're not going to a place to stay inside a room, is what my point is. And I also have like a steps target when I'm on holiday.
This is not working.
Somebody needs a holiday after a holiday because the first one was not counted.
Yeah.
It's the military.
No, it doesn't work that way. So I give
No.
every city, for instance, if I'm giving every city 3 days, there'll be 2 days worth of things to do, and the third day is to chill.
What if you're in a city where
But
there's
don't
no...
you wanna like spread it out?
I don't like, I'm on a limited budget.
No, I'm saying same activities. You don't have to do extra, but like maybe.
No, but that's what I'm saying. If you have to spend more days in a city, you're paying more, right?
But it'll anyway be like 5 days, 6 days a week, right? When you're traveling somewhere.
Yeah, but like for instance, when I did Thailand right now, I did 3 cities. I did Bangkok, Phuket, and Chiang Mai.
Okay.
But I gave it the number of days I think I would have required to see everything and do all the activities. But if I give it more days, then I'll have to spend more to be in that city, right? Because I'm paying for one more night in a hotel.
Yeah, makes sense.
Wait, do you guys go shopping when on holiday?
Yeah.
Shopping as in like...
Depends if the place
Yeah.
is
If
like
it's expensive, I'm not shopping.
if it my policy is to buy one thing which is reminiscent of that place. It could be an expensive thing, it could be a cheap thing, it doesn't matter. Like the budget is not the concern. The thing is it has to be like a specialty from that place.
That's why in Moscow I didn't shop. I just like I
You
wanted
bought
to.
Jordans in Moscow.
Yeah, because my canvas fucking shoe was killing me, and we did a lot of like walking, and
Walking.
I was not thinking like I've not traveled abroad like that, so I was not that factor. I was not thinking of. Like by the third day, I was dying.
Mm.
Like when we were walking around in like Red Square and all, I was just like, I need new shoes. And I also wanted Jordans. So I was like, okay, big purchase. I didn't buy anything. I just I wanted to buy that. What is that doll? The Russian doll
Yeah,
thing.
Matryoshka.
Patroshka.
And I'm like, I can ask you guys anytime. So I bought like some jewelry or something that was popular at the time, and the hat. That I was happy with that.
What do you guys like shopping for, though? Like, what is that? Like, for example, I love shopping for jerseys. So, what is it for you guys?
I hate shopping. I just hate shopping. I get irritated
For a
when I have to
person
shop.
on the Zara app all the time.
I'm not on
She's
Zara
gonna
all the
attack me now.
time.
Yeah.
Only during sale season because I don't think it's worth your money to spend 5K on a top.
But do you think it's ethical to shop on Zara?
Listen, I don't have infinite funds.
Sharon, who do you think makes your jerseys, by the way?
Not Zara.
Yeah, not Zara, but where is it coming from? It's coming
No,
from India
I
only.
am
half of it.
unethical. I am unethical. I have no.
Yeah,
they
are
qualms
also
about it.
unethical.
Even
Oh,
I'm
yeah,
saying
we're all unethical.
I see shopping from a homegrown brand is not easy. It's very expensive.
Okay, yeah. So that's my question. Would you shop in a homegrown brand or would you shop in like?
If I have that that
Zara.
kind of money, I would definitely. Like now, what I've tried to do is limit the amount I shop. Like I don't buy too many things. Like I genuinely don't because I'm not someone who wears a lot of different clothes. Like y'all see me almost every other day. I'm wearing the same set of clothes on repeat because I'm not someone who thinks fashion first. But I mean, I also don't have money to spend like 7-10K on a dress. Like that's too expensive for me.
What are some expensive homegrown brands, but which are like of good quality, and why are they expensive?
They're expensive
Because
because they're
of how they're sourced, how they're made. Because
The
as much as I
material.
would love to live in sustainable clothing, it's not sustainable for my pocket. That's the
Yeah,
only issue. I'm not
exactly.
again. I'm not saying unethical fashion. It's just the circumstances, and for me personally, size is a major issue. Like my size, it's very hard to get even on like Zara and H&M. Like I mainly shop because that's the only thing I can. That's what do you call it? Attainable for me. Yeah, accessible also.
Yeah, it's also access. Like it's very like if I order something say on a Myntra versus a homegrown brand which is not available on these platforms, homegrown brand will take like a long time for me to like receive the product. Myntra gives you next day delivery.
Yeah, also, like, see, the production, everything, the dye they use, everything is natural. So the price is also going up. So by the time the dress is made, it's like 10K, 15K, which is reasonable because my friend actually did it. Like, she had a label which was sustainable. She had to close it because she was barely making any like
Yeah, because
profit.
people can't afford it.
Yeah,
Like,
it's
the
But
purchasing.
quality wise, the homegrown brand is better than.
it depends. You also have to take care of like the if so natural dye fades very fast, so you have to wash it a certain way. Even the care of that thing is also
High maintenance.
Yeah.
For the homegrown brand.
yeah. It depends on the thing.
Yeah.
But yeah.
But like now I've started to switch. Like I'm more mindful of my purchase. I look at the material. Like I don't buy polyester because it's not breathable fabric. Like I feel really hot when I'm wearing polyester. So I don't buy that. I look at where it's made. Like for instance, even Zara, right? I don't just buy anything off random. Like I go and see where it's made. If it's made in like Turkey, Morocco, the likelihood of it being of better quality is higher
Then as compared to.
as compared to Vietnam, China. So that's like
High
I'm
production
trying to
thing.
include some practices which are more mindful of how I am like purchasing my clothes and stuff. But I hate shopping. I feel very impatient. I can't like
I can
scroll
shop for
through.
hours. Not that I end up buying a lot of things. Even I just like going through that entire process. I genuinely enjoy.
I don't know. I just feel like so like stressed out.
And I
when
can
have to
also
see-
shop fast. Like I can shop for 5 minutes and I can like just
Go on, yeah.
around.
But do you guys like online shopping or like physical store
I like
shop?
both.
I prefer physical shopping. I like feeling the product. I
It
like trying it
depends.
on.
If it's footwear, like again sizing issue. If I already know the size, I'll just buy.
Mm.
Otherwise, like I'll have to
Yeah.
try it on. And
Yeah.
buy.
Yeah.
I'm not a function over fashion person. Like if I like it, I'll buy. If I complain, I'll complain to myself. But like
And if you guys are online shopping, are you guys putting stuff in the cart or in the wish list, or are you just like
yeah.
No.
I have a problem with wish list is full
your wish list is full?
always.
Anshu's also like that. Anshuman.
No, Anshu's not even wish list. His cart is full.
But yeah, I
He has
also
2 accounts now.
like my thing is my style and the things I like always constantly changing. Like suppose I always hated animal print. Now I'm like into animal print. So it always changes. So I'm also trying to be mindful when I'm shopping now because I've shopped a lot in my like since I've been independent financially, I've shopped a lot. So I'm trying to get rid of the clothes I already have, and and I don't follow trends, but if there's like a trend cycle happening, if there's something I like, I will buy it. It's not because that thing is popular.
Yeah.
So and also my line of work, you,
You
have
need
to
to,
kind
yeah.
of be on top of the
For me, like that's another thing, right? Like I when I was younger, I used to do this trend based thing a lot, but I realized I don't end up wearing those clothes anyway. They're just lying there. So now I've started like collecting more like classic
yeah.
clothing items. Like it may be boring to look at, but it serves my purpose because for me, I'm not someone who experiments with their clothing at all. So yeah.
Yeah,
Okay, if you guys had infinite amount of money to buy one thing, what would it be?
like just one thing.
Yeah, just one thing.
My cart is full.
Like you're shooting for the stars. You can literally it can be anything, like a fashion related thing, not like a car or a house
like
or
an
something.
Oh.
accessory or a clothing item.
Can I pick one thing from each category?
Okay, yeah, go for one clothing item, one bag, one sunglasses, and one shoe.
Shoe, tabby, boots. It's my dream. Bag. Oh my god, this question. So stressful. I like I don't know if you guys know the Dior saddle bag. It's it's in the shape of a saddle, like
Yeah,
a
yeah,
horse
yeah.
saddle.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
I really like that. Clothing wise, anything Majala, I'll be happy to wear.
I didn't even know that was a brand.
No, I knew that was a brand. I was in Dubai Mall recently, so I know.
Anything Majala or I like, McQueen, I'd be happy to
Oh,
wear
I love McQueen. Yeah,
that. Then what is that thing? Sunglasses.
shoe
Shoes,
Tabby,
tabby.
sunglasses. or jewelry.
Yeah, jewelry.
Jewelry. Jewelry, the thing is, I don't like designer jewelry because it's just the name. It's not.
But that's
All-
with anything, even like your bag, saddle bag.
Yeah, but it's not like jewelry, right? Like
Mm.
something I would want to wear every day. Like
Mm.
you have to kind of pick your occasion and stuff. So I'm not crazy about designer jewelry,
Mm.
unless if it's like actual gold or
Mm.
something like that. What was the question?
Like accessory.
I have too much serotonin now.
Sunglasses,
Sunglasses. Sunglasses.
like a brand. It doesn't have to be a specific model.
Prada.
Prada.
Oh wait, I want something Prada also. I'm sorry, I can't answer this
Yeah.
question.
Damn,
What about you? I know you want a watch.
you answer first.
No, I'm still thinking. I'm collating.
Okay, if it's a watch.
Oh, can I answer the watch,
Yeah.
please? I'm sorry. My dream watch and only dream watch, because I'm not like crazy about watches, is the Cartier Tank.
or tank.
I
Okay.
love the Tank. Go on. Sorry.
Yeah, for me, watches. It's either an Omega Aquaterra or like a Cartier Santosh.
Oh,
I thought it was AP.
No, my okay. Fuck. Actually, forget it.
It's one
see
watch.
what I mean? It's hard.
No, my actual all-time favorite watch is a Richard Mille, but like that's fucking expensive. Or it's a Richard Mille. I don't know which one.
I don't even know.
But we're
different
talking about when you have infinite money.
Okay, Richard Mille.
It's your question.
Yeah, sorry. I got distracted with the attainable
Exactly.
Richard Mille, and
That is watch.
that's watch.
Okay.
So it's supposed to be like one of the lightest watches in the world.
But is it metal or what is it?
It's carbon fiber and like
Okay.
it's like really light. Shoes. I feel like I have all the shoes I want. Like I
Yeah.
don't really like. I think the
Really?
one shoe I want is the Jordan 1 Lost and Founds.
Okay.
The original shoe, like the shoe which made Jordan who he is,
Mhm.
and then Shamli got that for me for my birthday, so I have that, and I never wear it because it looks too nice. But I like comfortable shoes, so yeah, whatever's comfortable.
Clothing.
Clothing.
Cristiano Ronaldo's jersey.
Yeah, probably a match worn jersey. Maybe a match worn the
With
jersey.
his sweat
The
droplets.
jersey he wore in the 2016 Euros when he won the Euros
Hmm.
or one of the Champions League finals. He actually the purple Champions League jersey which he
No,
won.
I feel
wore-
him.
wore. Yeah. I'm
This
breathing
topic,
heavily.
I feel him.
Then what? That's all, no?
Bag.
Sunglasses?
No, you don't have
Bag, I don't really care. I don't buy a Tumi bag.
I knew you were going to say to
What
me.
is that?
To me, it's like a very big, like it's a brand of handbags, luggage.
Okay.
I like
Travel
Remova.
kits.
Remova
Remova is really
suitcases,
good, yeah.
At least they look like really flashy.
They look expensive.
Yeah, they look expensive. Yeah. And sunglasses. I don't know. I just like Oakleys. So
Okay.
if I have a partnership with Oakley, that'd be great. If Oakley you're watching.
Do you have any makeup thing that you want? Like
I
really
have
badly?
most makeup things that I wanted, but
Or like skincare that's really expensive, but you'd like to try
skincare I
out.
don't give shit because I genuinely don't believe it has to be expensive.
Mhm.
Like skincare being expensive doesn't make sense to me. Makeup, I really like Armani and Marc Jacobs have like really nice makeup. Even Victoria Beckham's makeup line is really
Yeah?
good. Yeah. So I have Victoria Beckham's lipstick. I wanted Armani's blush. It's really good,
Mm.
but I have too much makeup. But yeah, I like it.
Nice.
Okay, go for it.
This is like Aryan's question, but different. Object or experience?
No, this is just object.
Yeah, but I'm struggling because I don't have any wish list like that. Like
It
clothing, I don't even know.
No, it can just be like a piece of like anything. Even if
Like
it's
I
a-
genuinely don't know clothing like what I want. Like I like like
She has to stick to the brand that she doesn't like clothes, so now she can't even say it.
no, I don't like for instance I like saris. Like so I like the fact that my mom collects saris. So I would like to add to that collection, right? Like again, like she likes collecting one
it
sari.
doesn't have to be like designer.
Yeah, it's
like,
not
can be
designer. So I'd
whatever
like
you
to
want.
add to that sari collection.
But what sari?
It could be anything. Like I have no like maybe a patan patola this time. Like that's like a
Proper
double
patrol.
Patan Patola. It's
It's like double ikat. It's a
a-
guju thing. It's like from
yeah.
patan.
It's a regional
Yeah.
textile.
Yeah, it's very like auspicious
It's like
occasion wearing
yeah.
textile. When it comes to watch, I mean, I've always loved Cartier watches, but I don't know. I'm like, I don't
You
know.
like Gucci watches, no?
I'll tell you later. I'll explain this after I'm done with this list, or we'll do it now. Basically, I got my first ever jobs paycheck, and this was in 2016,
I
and
kind of know the story. Yeah, go on.
I really just wanted to buy something expensive for myself because I'm not someone who spends a lot of money on myself. Uh, and so I was like, okay, I went to the watch store in Palladium Mall, Bombay, and I really liked this watch. At that point, I wasn't someone who did like a lot of research to understand which brands are known for watches or which are not. I was just like, this looks good, I'm buying it. And it was a Gucci watch.
Mm.
No one really shops watches at Gucci.
Yeah.
Yeah, like
So-
the rule of thumb is that when you're buying a nice watch, it shouldn't be from any fashion house like
Yeah.
a Louis
Yeah.
Vuitton or a Gucci.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I didn't know that. Like, it just looked good. It's
But where is that watch now?
It's with me. I'm never giving that watch away. It's like my first
Okay,
paycheck.
nobody asked you to give it.
It's like literally like from my first ever paycheck. That also I'd like thought some 100 times. Should I spend? Should I not spend? Should I spend? Should I not spend? But yeah.
Yeah, at the time you wouldn't know. Like,
And it was expensive. It was
especially
like,
when you just started earning.
yeah.
And like you wouldn't know. Like I also only knew about fashion after I quit college and everything. It was like a very
No, like I
self-taught
still
thing.
don't think I know about fashion. Like I ask you half the times, do these look good or am I like high? So it's just
You're high.
no. I genuinely because I'm like I've sent us. so
Okay,
many
we get it.
pictures.
You don't like clothes. Just calm down.
Then why are you questioning everything?
No, you escape the question. You like your Gujarati saris. Okay,
Okay.
now
The watch
Okay, shoe.
Cartier.
Yeah, watch car. Yeah,
But
shoe.
do you have a particular
No,
watch? No.
like Cartier. But also, like, it depends on what watch brand is good for women at that point.
I also like the Bulgari watch. Sorry.
Um,
The first time this topic is actually interesting on this podcast that I was there.
Serpenti thing?
Huh?
Serpenti?
Yeah, it's like
Yeah.
I think Shumapa has it.
Yeah.
Yeah, silver.
I think hers was Roberto Cavalli, though. I'm not sure.
Yeah?
I don't think it's Bulgari.
Okay.
But, yeah, so that.
Shoes.
Shoes. I genuinely
Uh,
couldn't care less, but I've been wanting to. I also like the tabby shoes.
Yeah.
This is something we discussed.
But do you like the
Wait.
flat one or the boots?
Flats. I like the ballad types. But I also want on shoes right now, so that is there. What else is it? Bag. Bag is something I've actually wanted a really good bag for a long, long time. I just don't know which bag it is, but I want a bag. Right now, there's a brand that I really like, which is called Polin. It's like a French brand which is coming up, but I really like those bags. But
Well, a
my
French
dream
brand,
bag.
Okay, a French brand which is coming up. How do you like discover the brand? Like, what is this?
I have a few people I consult when it comes to fashion. Gayu, there's one cousin of mine, Nana Didi, and like there are like Instagram pages I look at. But like I always ask people around me who are more well versed.
If they say it's a brand is cool, you.
Yeah,
naturally
like
tell them.
I'll ask them, is it worth it? Then they'll also recommend, right? They'll say like I'd asked Nana Didi some time ago because I wanted a bag, so I asked her, is it worth it for me to invest in like a Burberry or whatever? And she said, no, look at this brand. It's up and coming. It's really good. Like I remember back in the day, like early 2000s, or it was like a long time back. My aunt was traveling and she also has this policy of buying one bag a year.
Mm.
So she was traveling and she wanted to buy like I think a Gucci or an LV or something. I can't remember. But another person told her, don't buy that. Buy a Loewe or Loewe.
Loewe.
Yeah. And yeah,
Forget Loewe.
and she has Loewe right
Sweating.
now. And she has a Loewe bag right now, and that brand has blown up. So I like hearing people's opinion on things like this because I don't have any expertise.
Loewe is. I
yeah.
love that brand.
Kaki has one like from back then.
Do you know which one it is?
Yeah.
But yeah.
So it's like yeah. So Polen is something my cousin had told me about.
One bag I don't get rich people buying and I will never buy or consider buying is the fucking Birkin.
That I don't like.
It's just it's first of all it's so basic to look at and it has so much hype around it. It's like I don't get the whole Birkin. hype.
So
But
if
I
they
really
gave you a Birkin, you wouldn't.
I mean, obviously,
wouldn't-
giving it, I would take it.
I would sell it because it's kind of an investment
Yeah.
to have a Birkin. But Birkin is also about I'm rich. It is also
It's
one
like a
of
Jacob
those.
and Co watch.
Yeah, it is one of those things to have. but I would sell it for like
yeah, I
money.
would definitely take it. Someone's giving it to me, I'm taking
Why
it.
would you buy it for yourself?
No, what I really want to buy also is a Chanel bag. I really like Chanel bags for some reason. Uh, yeah, shoes I've already said. Bags I told you.
Sunglasses, jewelry.
Sunglasses I don't really give a shit again. I like Dior glasses, which the ones you also bought half of.
Half of.
Yeah, we went splitsies on that.
I don't know why I went splitsies on that.
It was my birthday gift.
It's a
No, it was
nice
not your
thing.
birthday. Shut the fuck up. It was in September or something. It was not your birthday gift.
Okay, or you just owed me a gift or something.
No,
This was in Moscow, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah.
It was because you owed me a gift.
Oved means what?
I'd taken you to Dubai, so you were returning the favor.
I took you to Dubai also.
I don't have these kind of half purchases with you guys. The fuck? I didn't know this was a thing. I could
It's
get
because you
into.
don't like big groups. That's why.
This is not big group.
We can go halvesies on the deer saddle. You keep it for 6 months. I'll keep it
No,
for
no,
6
no, no.
months.
I meant money. Keeping, I will keep.
Okay, jewelry.
Jewelry, I've always wanted a Van Cleef necklace, but I just want to be able to afford it. I don't want to buy it. That's all. Because then I will get my uncle to make it for me.
You need to give context to what your uncle does.
My uncle's a jeweler.
Ah.
My uncle's name is Van Cleef.
Van Cleef Parik.
Van Cleef Pike.
But yeah.
I like a guy who answers, I want this, I want that, I want this, I also want this. Oh, I want more thing I want.
Yeah, this is the first.
Shavani says, I don't want this. I actually want this.
Yeah, because I do
I
think
want
about
it,
these
but
things.
I want to be able to afford,
Afford it?
I don't
I
want.
want it.
Like you ask me what experiences I want, I can give you.
Nobody's
a list.
asked you. Shut up.
I can give you a list of things I want.
No, we don't want to ask you.
Like I want to
For
go.
next episode, we got to do all.
Question is different.
Yeah, but that's what I'm saying. My interest is different.
That was not the question.
എനിക്ക്
We're not
വേണ്ട.
here to talk about your interest. We're
Yeah.
here to talk
You
about
talk about
topics.
football and interest next time when I'm not there.
If we give Gayu 5 more minutes, she'll have another 50.
I'm already like, my brain is like
She's
going
thinking
to
about the 10 other things she wants. But
The
even
dopamine.
Bulgari jewelry is nice.
Oh, I love. Even,
It's
yeah.
a Babalgiri.
Bawalgiri.
Bawalgiri, yeah. Tiffany, I find overrated sometimes, depending on the collection that they have.
I've always dreamt of Tiffany as a little girl. Like I always wanted to buy something from Tiffany.
Yeah.
Like first it was their Lockhart neck pendant thingy. I never ended up buying it. Then Sharan gifted me the bracelet, the tennis bracelet, and my best friend gave me her pendant. So I have Tiffany, but I genuinely love the brand. Like,
So, Tiffany, the designer who started the brand, her story is very interesting. So, the jewelry she made initially, that pieces I like. So, she there's, I don't know if you've seen, you know the cuff, right? The Tiffany cuff, have you seen?
Yeah.
She's made, so the cuff, if you buy it for the left hand, you can't wear it on the right hand because
That's
it
crazy.
made to shape the bone on your hand. So she's made it like, her design process is insane. So I like the cuff that
She's like Apple. You can't use another charger.
okay. I forgot
Keep
about
buying.
Yeah. That. Then she's made this thing where it's a necklace, okay, but the pendant is a glass like vase, so you can put like flowers in it, so it smells the entire.
That's so nice.
So I like the initial archival pieces. I'm not like hot on like the new thing, but I like their, you know, the nail.
Yeah.
That thing, and the new collection they have it looks like a chain, but it's like this. I have the fake version of that, but yeah, I like those ones.
But wait, was her name Tiffany?
No, her name is I keep forgetting her name. I forgot her name, but yeah.
I'd gone to a LV immersive experience thing in Bangkok. You would have loved it because it's.
I saw the story. I wanted to ask you how
Yeah,
it was.
it was very interesting. They just spoke about how the brand was started, etc. And they had like the exhibit was very interesting, like just the history of like how it started with trunks and then how they kept modifying it. It's very nice.
Okay, guys. We are going to end this episode because Gayu is still thinking.
My brain is still working.
And Shabari obviously doesn't like clothes or shoes or anything.
But I did buy a bag this time in Bangkok.
Yeah, guys, she bought this
Longchamp.
long champus.
It's so good. It's such a convenient bag to travel with. And it's like big, it fits everything.
Okay.
I don't know why I'm selling it.
Yeah.
It was so
Like-
reasonable.
I like you don't have to justify.
It was
How much
so
was it?
reasonable.
How much was it?
Okay, guess how much it was.
I don't know.
Just guess. Give a number.
30?
30.
Let me guess.
Higher?
Let me guess.
Half of it. You know the price.
15? Oh,
Yeah.
that's not bad at all.
It's so good.
For a Longchamp bag, that's not bad.
That's
at all.
damn
Yeah.
good.
That is after discount you got?
No,
That's how much
that's
it was?
the price.
Oh, okay.
And that's the price in India and all.
Oh, nice.
So-
Because I don't know much about this brand.
It was I thought it was a great buy.
Okay, guys. Congratulations on Shamani's great buy. Now we end this
You're
episode.
very rude.
How am I rude? Thank you guys for watching. See you with the next one. Every
Birthday
busy.
Carlos said.
Yeah, happy birthday.
Carlito.